In this video, I'm going to show you how to use leverage on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you actually have to set the leverage before you actually create your account. So if you have an account already, you will have to set the leverage on the platform you actually created your account. So for example, over here, as you can see, I have my demo account created on the blue markets over here. And then of course, if I want to, for example, create a new demo account, just to show you how to actually set leverage, you want to go ahead and of course whenever you're creating your account you'll be able to select the currency, the balance, and then of course the leverage as well over here. So you'll be able to select leverage of 50, 100, 200, and 500. Some other brokers you can use on TradeLocker also have some different settings, so make sure you actually take note of that and actually select the leverage that you actually want on your TradeLocker account over here, whether it's of course a live one or a demo one. Now what you can always do in case you have access to the admin panel on TradeLocker portal, you'll be able to also sign in using your name and your email, basically your company email. And then in there, you'll be able to adjust leverage, but that's only in case you actually have the access to the TradeLocker portal. So it's accessible on this link, tradelocker.com/portal/adjust-leverage. And yeah, you can try and doing it that way as well. But of course, the easiest way is to just set the leverage before you actually create your account and then sign in to TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.